So now let's see how we can insert and work with bar chart inside of Google Slides. So in order to insert a bar chart, what I need to do is I need to click on Insert and then I need to click on Chart. So here are 4 types of charts that I can insert. So what I'm going to work with right now is a bar chart. So I'm just going to click on bar, and what will happen is that it'll insert the bar chart, as you can see right here. But what I need to do is I need to edit out the data right here. So in order to do that, what I can do is I can go around onto this option right here where it says linked chart options. And once I open this, you can see that I have an option to unlink or open the source. So I'm going to go around and open the source right here, and let's see what happens right here. So here I have a bunch of data that I can edit. So this opens up in Google Sheets. So I can go around and change the data right here. Let's say, for example, I can go around and say that this is not, I want to entirely delete out this column. So let's just delete out this column right here. And let's say this is item 1, and this is item 2, and this is item 3, and item 4. So I'm just going to change this around, and this is going to be quantity right here. And I'm going to change around, let's say, the numbers right here, and this is how it looks like. I can even go over here on and change the outlook. So I can go around. So right now it says points scored. So I'm just going to say this is quantity right here, and I can change around the chart type. So over here on the right side, you have the chart editor where you can set up the chart onto different type of chart, and go on to customize to select the chart style. So I'm just going to go around and change the background color. And over here, you can see that I can go around and change the border color. You can turn it into 3D. You can go into maximize mode and so forth. And as you can see, you can change around different things in the chart. So once done, what you can do is you can go back onto presentation. And since this is a linked object, you can go ahead and update the chart. So once I click on update, now you'll be able to see that the new chart is added in. So it is updated. And if you want to make further changes, you can simply open up the source and then make the edits. And that's how you can insert and work with bar chart inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.